Hello friends, look at these little mushrooms growing here. But do not go on its size. That's right. Although these amazing fungi are small, they are also great for your body because they are rich in proteins. Did you know on average, mushrooms have around 3 to 4 grams of protein, making them an excellent source of protein? So friends, isn't it amazing how much goodness these little fungi can pack? Now, apart from fungi, we also get proteins from plants and animals. Some of the plant-based protein sources are pulses like lentils and chickpeas, as well as beans, peas, and crunchy nuts. Now, let me give you some examples of animal-based proteins. Milk, paneer, eggs, fish, and meat are packed with the proteins that our body needs to grow and stay strong. That's why we call them body-building foods, as they help us to repair muscles and keep you healthy. So friends, the next time you crack open an egg for breakfast or sip a glass of milk, remember you're giving your body a serious boost of proteins. But wait, that's not the end of the story. We have something more to our food. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt tired? And after drinking glucose water, you're full of energy? Well, thanks to glucose, which is a carbohydrate. You know, carbohydrates are the instant energy providers. You can find them in everyday foods like cereals such as wheat, rice, and maize. They're also present in vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes. And don't forget the fruits like bananas, pineapples, and mangoes. So friends, whether you're enjoying a bowl of rice or a juicy mango, you're giving your body the energy it needs to keep going strong. Now here's another question. Why do you think we eat laddus during winter? Yes, I agree laddus are delicious, but there is something more. Laddus are made with ingredients like ghee, wheat flour, nuts, and edible gum, all of which provide lots of energy and keep us warm during the cold months. Ghee and nuts are rich in fats, which store energy and help our body stay warm. Fat is a source of stored energy. They serve as an important energy reserve in the body, storing up fuel that you can tap into when you need an extra boost, like during a long day of activities or after exercise. Now we get fats from plants or animals. Let's talk about some tasty plant sources. Nuts like groundnuts, walnuts, coconuts, or almonds are packed with healthy fats. And don't forget about seeds like pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. They're also great sources of fat. So friends, all these foods are mouth-watering. But remember, they provide essential energy and nutrients your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Happy learning!